All right, my friends, just another update. Sitting here next to the Quality Inn in Indiana. I've got a dead drone, dead GoPro on the drone, smushed. I've got a rear flat tire and a bike at a shop, hoping that they have the Dunlop tires that I need. So it's adventure. My goal today is to, well, hopefully get the bike back. And if so, I'm going to begin my trek towards Cleveland, through Cleveland, and up towards Buffalo. Some hot wings. Some Niagara Falls. Sounds nice. And then out towards Maine. That's kind of the mission right at hand. I think one of the goals of this trip, I was talking to the lady that works here at the Quality Inn, and just kind of talking about vacation time and, you know, how we use it. And I typically seem to chase after these motorcycle rides and have this wanderlust aspect of myself where I feel like I need to be an explorer, or to explore, or to adventure, or to just see new places, new people, new things. Well, I think one of my hopes with this trip is that, kind of like commuting every day by motorcycles kind of eliminated my desire to get up to the mountains every single day on the bike, and has helped push me towards maybe other things like hiking or photography, or, you know, branching out. Hopefully this trip kind of pushes me to a point where I start to appreciate like white sands and warmth and a nice tropical breeze, maybe a Mai Tai in hand. And it sounds nice. It just doesn't sound like a road trip. Anyways, that's my update. Indiana. Quality Inn. It's quality. Flat tire. Smushed drone. Smushed GoPro. I mean, the taxes and tolls of Illinois and Indiana and Ohio are unreal. It's a thing. It really is. Fact. I mean, besides the bad luck, I'm saying like the tolls that you have to pay on the roads is just freaking ridiculous. Anyways, I hope you enjoy your day. Thanks. Here's some pictures of the sunrise.